the traveler's fan. Isn't this view beautiful? Isn't this view so natural? Do this look like man-made? I feel like I am in the world's most high place. As you can see here, this place is located about 14 kilometers from Natural Highway 37, which you should take a diversion from Nelly near Jaigar Road. Please have a look. If any one of you would like to come to this place, please call me, or don't forget to subscribe and like and comment in this video. To view more, please follow me and I'll take you to the location. Bye.